Hey guys, it's Carl from the HID factory, and today I got this Mercedes-Benz GL series. This is an SUV. What we were able to do on this one, the customer wanted a light up emblem and underglow. So I'm going to go ahead and get the emblem turned on first. So this emblem, unlike the other ones we have a white, red, blue. This one's actually a color shift. This is new product we have coming out now. It's just a color shift. By itself, it'll turn on anytime your DRLs are on. Those are your daytime running lights. The emblem will come on and shift through colors. So, and also we have our, as always, we do our Morimoto controller for our underglow. So you just get that on. They come on, you choose a color. You can cycle through colors, intensity, the fade feature, where it looks like the vehicle's breathing. And we can cycle through all the colors for it to be universal. Again guys, this kit comes with a 2-year warranty. We go ahead and run all the wiring, get all the bars under there. These are LED waterproof bars. These aren't acrylic. These are actual LEDs. You get every color you need. It's an RGB system. So if you're looking for a specific color to match your car, match your favorite purse or your backpack, we're able to do that with these LEDs. Also, you can find this kit online at our store at thehidfactory.com. And also, if you're looking at videos on how to install it, what it looked like on your vehicle or boat, truck, ATV, whatever have you, you can find us on YouTube. We're under the HID Factory. And again, if there's anything else you guys need, we're here at the shop Monday through Friday. Just give us a call, we can help you out. Thanks again, guys.